Hi everyone, we have another challenge. These challenges are becoming like taxis, we just have more and more of them, with the main difference that I prefer challenges instead of taxis. Anyhow, the trio is back. No, not that one, the other one. No, the drinking trio. Yes, David, Rob and Vino are back with another challenge, this time for 14th of February, St. Valentine's Day. And the main requirements for the challenge is the drink to be pink or red, to include chocolate as well, to be properly tagged, and I guess to be delicious. As you will see in a few moments, my drink didn't end up as red as it was intended to. It's one of these moments when you see a photo of a drink and you say, yes, that is what I want. And then when you compare with the final result, it was like, ouch, it's way different. Yeah, the same happen in the burger places. You see a photo and then nothing to do with what comes to the table. Nevertheless, this drink, it's called Red One Spiked Red Velvet Hot Chocolate. I hope you're gonna like it. Okay, so let's start with the drink. We turn on the heater and we put it on medium high heat. And to that we're gonna add 1 cup or 240 milliliters approximately of milk. Okay. And now we're gonna wait the milk to warm up. We don't want the milk to be boiling, just to get hot. It's lots of waiting, but then meanwhile you are waiting, you can think what you should ask your loved one in exchange of the antidote when they are done with their drink. Okay. We keep waiting. And we're gonna stir a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm waiting the milk to warm up. I'm gonna open our bottle of wine. Okay. Okay, we don't want the milk to be boiling, just to be hot, and I think we are reaching this temperature. Okay, the milk is getting warm, we don't want it boiling, so to that we're gonna add 80 milliliters or third of a cup of red wine. I'm using Merlot. More or less 80 mils, and we keep mixing it, and then we're gonna add a pinch of salt as well. We keep mixing. And since it's getting really warm, we add 45 grams of chocolate. The rules ask for chocolate, didn't specify how the chocolate to be used. And now you need to continuously mix in order to avoid the chocolate to start burning on the bottom. I use regular chocolate, but I cut it in smaller pieces so it will dissolve faster. Once the chocolate is dissolved, we will remove from fire. Okay. I think the mix is hot enough. And to that we're gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So it's 2.5 milliliters. Okay. And the recipe calls for the same amount of red food colorant, which is gonna make it super dirty, as you can see. Okay, now we mix everything again. Yep, I think I should go with white chocolate, since the supposed to be red color is kind of a mud color right now. And we're gonna serve it in our glass of choice. Okay, and yes, following the instructions, it was supposed to be pink, but with huge imagination we can say that 3 years ago the drink was pink. Anyhow, what matters is how it tastes. So we pour it in a proper glass and dim it. And we pour some whipped cream on top. Damn. Okay, we didn't see that. And to decorate this lovely mess, we're gonna sprinkle some red velvet crumbs. I mean, the drink is like love. Sometimes works out, sometimes doesn't. Sometimes it's a mess, but if you decide to be with someone, you accept the good and the bad. So, that is my entry to Love Potions 2021. I hope you're gonna like it, ignoring the color and the melting cream all over the place. Yeah, that is part of life. Your relationship can make you happy or totally melt down your life. So, hope you're gonna enjoy the drink with your loved ones, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.